Hi, today teardown of this. So we have here an aircraft or Soviet aircraft altitude encoder. So it is quite fun because in fact it is made in an aircraft instrument case, except that it is blind. So I did already do a teardown a few weeks ago of a similar device with a dial fitted, the encoding altimeter. And this is just a sensor, but they did reuse the same case. So here is the model number, DV-30M, serial number here, 02803444. So it must be quite a generic device. On the back we have the same stuff than previously. We have the air inlet, of course, and we have this connector with this assemblage on the side, and here you can see there is this little plate you can remove by one screw, and in fact it will allow to access trimmers for fine tuning of the instrument, well, the sensor. So the assembly in here is a little bit different. I have stuff on the side. So I did already undo the screws on the front to save some time, but here no. And they are not the original screws, this one. Not sure why. So here is what it looks like, very straightforward. In fact we have two little regular multi-turn trimmers in this plastic holders, well, bakelite holders. Date code of July 1976. And this must be just a terminal, yes, to hook the different kind of wires together. Okay, the back of the connector, and the input to the instrument with a big nut. So not sure what I will find, how it is made exactly inside. I am expecting the same stuff than the encoding altimeter minus the needle on the dial. So we will see. So it is quite fun, this assembly. Why remake the thing from scratch if you already have an instrument doing the same job? Yes, so this is a pretty thick front cover in aluminium. And yes, it looks like we mostly have the same setup as the other one. There is this potentiometer here, which is the main, the half of the instrument. We have the this ring all around, which will probably be quite delicate to undo. So there is this piece here, hooking it in place. I'm not sure if it would be easy to pop out or not. Yes, maybe. Okay, it was easier than expected. And there is this ring. Now I can turn the ring and I can try to pull it out of the way with a needle like so. And it should come fully. I have to pull it the same. In fact, it wants to click back in place maybe like so. Yes, I think I found the way to remove it. Quite a tedious thing, because in fact it wants to relocate behind this piece here, and there is a little thing in here that will prevent it to pop out. In fact, it's not easy to undo. Maybe on this side. Yes, like so. Now I could turn it, maybe push it back. Oops. It did just fly somewhere. Okay, so now I should be able to pull the wall in assembly at least. So here you can see how they did fit the wires inside the case from the bulkhead at the back. Since yes, it is airtight, of course. There is glass insulation probably, and it is airtight pass-through. This thing here, and here are the guts. So as always, pretty serious die-cast brass structure, it seems. Your aneroid capsule. The wall instrument case is at the pressure you want to measure, so there is no pipe connected to it. And this thing will move. Not sure how. Oh, I see a problem. Look at this. It looks like we have a broken piece here. Probably a little needle at the back of at the end of the shaft, which is supposed to come in this ruby ring here. Not sure what is the exact word for it, as you have in clocks. In fact, there is another here. So yes, we are missing a little piece of metal, and the thing is not good anymore. It is not airworthy, guys. So apart from this, you can see very delicate stuff in here. Little linkage here. You can adjust with a little needle as a locating pin. And this is supposed to turn like so, and to actuate, of course, your potentiometer here at the front. But this thing is broken, so not sure if it did happen in when it was in service and it was removed from service for it, or later when it was in storage, or during transportation, or maybe even in my own storage. I do not remember if I did open it previously, so I do not remember if I did already see this. So maybe we have a little piece missing inside, a little broken piece, but no, I do not see it. Interesting. And here just regular wire wound, well, regular. Nothing special wire wound potentiometer with a spring, helicoidal spring here to make the contact. Quite nice. Okay, so this one is right off, sadly. It will not fly again, but at least I will try to put it back together if I find the part that did fly away. So for now, thanks for watching, bye bye.